Aipas S1 AMP is one of those electric dirt bikes that immediately challenges expectations. It has a compact frame, relatively small wheels, and a size that makes it look approachable. But once that throttle is opened, the personality changes immediately. This bike is small but mighty. And mighty may actually be an understatement because the S1 AMP has the kind of acceleration and climbing power that can make a much larger machine feel unnecessary. This is not a traditional pedal-assisted e-bike designed mainly for relaxed cruising. It is a compact electric dirt bike built around a full twist throttle, a mid-mounted motor, full suspension, hydraulic brakes, and a riding position that feels much closer to a small motorcycle. The greatest strength of this bike is its power delivery. The throttle response is immediate, and when the motor begins pulling, the S1 AMP does not feel hesitant. It hauls ass. That is probably the most direct way to describe it. This is not about racing, chasing the highest possible number on the display. A far more meaningful test is pointing an electric bike toward a steep hill and applying full throttle. Almost any bike can build speed when traveling downhill. Gravity is doing much of the work. The real test is whether the motor can maintain momentum while climbing, especially when the grade becomes steeper and the bike is forced to work against gravity. This is where the S1 AMP becomes surprisingly impressive. For such a compact machine, it attacks hills with serious authority. There's a strong surge of torque as the motor begins pulling and the bike continues pushing instead of immediately losing speed. That climbing performance makes the S1 AMP feel much more substantial than its physical dimensions suggest. It is genuinely small but mighty. The compact size also makes the power feel more exciting. A large electric dirt bike may be expected to accelerate aggressively. The S1 AMP hides that performance inside a shorter and more manageable platform. That combination gives the bike a playful personality without making it feel weak or underpowered. Now it's time to really geek out over the specifications. At the center of the S1 AMP is a 4,000 watt mid-drive motor. That mid-drive configuration is important. Instead of placing the motor inside one of the wheels in the back, also known as hub wheels, the motor is mounted near the center of the frame and sends power to the rear wheel through a chain and sprocket system. Centralizing the motor helps keep the weight closer to the middle of the bike. That can improve balance and make the machine feel more predictable when changing direction. Aipas lists the motor at up to 255 Newton meters of torque. That is an enormous torque figure compared with a conventional commuter e-bike. Torque is the twisting force that gets the bike moving and helps it continue pulling under heavy load. Top speed attracts attention, but torque is what riders feel when accelerating from a stop or climbing a steep grade. The S1 AMP is also listed with a top speed of up to 50 miles per hour. Reaching that number will depend on rider weight, battery charge, surface conditions, temperature, tire pressure, and other variables. But the important point is that this machine has considerable speed headroom. The electrical system is powered by a removable 60-volt, 28 amp hour battery. Multiplying voltage by amp hours gives a nominal capacity of approximately 1,680 watt hours. That is a large battery for a bike this size. The 60-volt architecture helps support the motor's high power output, while the 28 amp hour capacity provides enough energy storage needed for longer riding sessions. Aipas claims up to 60 miles of electric-only range. That should be treated as a best-case estimate rather than a guaranteed result. Full throttle riding, repeated hill climbs, heavier riders, loose surfaces, cold weather, and frequent acceleration will reduce range. Riding more conservatively in eco mode should extend it. The bike includes eco, sport, and turbo riding modes. Eco mode softens the response and prioritizes efficiency. Sport mode provides stronger acceleration for hills and mixed terrains, while turbo mode gives access to the most aggressive power delivery. The S1 AMP weighs approximately 105 pounds and carries a listed maximum load of 350 pounds. It uses a 14 by 3 inch front tire and a 12 by 3 inch rear tire. That staggered wheel arrangement contributes to the dirt bike stance while keeping the overall frame compact. For braking, the bike uses dual piston hydraulic calipers with oversized 190mm perforated rotors. They generally provide stronger braking with less lever effort than basic mechanical systems. The suspension includes a dual crown hydraulic fork and a centrally mounted rear shock. There is also a full twist throttle, folding footrest, a cast rear sprocket, an integrated lighting system, and removable battery protected by an IP65 rated enclosure. That is a serious collection of hardware packed into a relatively small electric dirt bike. Out on rougher roads, the suspension performs pretty well. It is tuned a little toward the tighter end. This is not an extremely soft floating suspension that completely isolates the rider from every imperfection. However, it is not so stiff that the ride becomes punishing. The suspension provides enough support to keep the bike from feeling loose or unstable during acceleration, braking, and changes in direction. At the same time, it still absorbs enough vibration to avoid creating unnecessary rider fatigue. That balance works well for uneven country roads, rolling pavement, gravel patches, and rougher surfaces. The bike feels good to ride. A softer setup might provide more comfort over small, repetitive bumps, but it could also allow additional movement under hard acceleration. Slightly tighter tuning helped the S1 AMP feel controlled when the motor is delivering a strong burst of torque. The compact frame also contributes to that sense of control. It does not feel like a large machine that must be wrestled into position. The proportions make it easier to understand where the weight is located, and the bike responds naturally to steering input. That said, this is still a 105-pound powered machine. It should be treated with respect, especially when operating in the higher powered modes. Smooth throttle controls matter, protective gear matters, and riders should have enough space to accelerate, turn, and stop safely. One characteristic that should be expected is drivetrain noise. The S1 AMP produces a noticeable chain sound while operating. It is not silent in the same way as a lower powered hub motor e-bike. However, that noise is common among the electric dirt bikes in this category. A high-output mid-drive motor is transferring power through a chain and a large rear sprocket, so some mechanical sound is part of the experience. The noise is noticeable, but it does not necessarily feel abnormal. There may even be an unintended advantage when riding through areas with wildlife. This bike is unlikely to silently surprise anyone approaching you from behind. It is also less likely to sneak up on deer or black bears near the road. Deer can move unpredictably, but black bears often seem especially uninterested in loud mechanical noise. The sound gives animals an opportunity to recognize that something is approaching and move away before the rider gets too close. Of course, noise should never replace caution. Speed should always be reduced around blind corners, thick vegetation, animals, pedestrians, or other riders. The S1 AMP is not perfect. The chain noise will be more noticeable than on a traditional e-bike. The suspension may feel slightly firm to riders who prefer an extremely soft setup. The compact frame may also feel small for particularly tall riders, and the high power requires careful throttle control. But the advantages, in my opinion, outweigh those limitations. The The bike delivers tremendous acceleration for its size. It climbs hills far better than its compact proportions would suggest. The suspension feels supportive without causing excessive fatigue. The hydraulic brakes match the performance level of the motor. The removable battery is large. The lighting system is practical, and the integrated turn signals are a welcome addition. Most importantly, the S1 AMP has personality. It feels energetic, responsive, and eager to climb. This is a bike that proves physical size does not always determine capability. The best description remains the simplest one. The Aipas S1 AMP is small but mighty. It looks compact, feels manageable, and then delivers the kind of full throttle hill climbing performance that can completely change the first impression. Any bike can look fast while gravity pulls it downhill. The S1 AMP earns its reputation when the road turns upward. That is where the motor, torque, battery, compact design come together, and that is where the little electric dirt bike shows exactly how much performance Aipas managed to fit into a small package. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is JEREMYVINNY signing off. We'll see you on the next one.